Right now, the city of St. Pete is deciding what to do with nearly $160 million in disaster recovery funds. Residents aren't the only ones looking to apply for a grant. Businesses are as well. And 10 Tampa Bay's Angelicia Bruton spoke to one that says it helps vulnerable communities and believes it can make a difference with a grant.
Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital says it comes across some of the most complex cases with many patients on Medicaid.
There's just not a lot of places that can take the critical nature of our children.
And during the last hurricane season, care never stopped.
Milton was the one that really obviously was the big storm here in St. Pete in terms of wind.
Despite putting in flood barriers, Justin Olson says water still found a way to seep in.
We never saw so much water come through places we didn't know could flood,
causing more than $1.5 million in damage.
We lost water, we lost sewer, and we lost power throughout the storms.
Its steam line also needed work.
Steam sterilizes our products, our equipment, so we can do cases in the OR. It regulates our temperature and it heats our water. We couldn't be open without it.
The hospital presented a plan to the city saying it wants to move its steam line and add storm hardening features. It will cost about $34 million. It hopes a grant from the city's Sunrise St. Pete initiative will help.
Whatever support me, my family, and however I can lead this council, I'm in.
Currently, the initiative is for Hurricanes Idalia and Helene recovery efforts, but the city says it's too early to share eligibility requirements. It does know 70% of $160 million will go to low to moderate income households, leaving about $40 million for businesses like public facilities.
We're respectful of the fact that there are a lot of needs in this community. We don't, again, want to overstep, but we do think it's an important cause and a good rationale to invest here in All Children's.
Angelicia Bruton, 10 Tampa Bay.
We should point out here it's unclear when applications will open for Sunrise St. Pete grants. Before that can happen, the city has to submit an action plan to the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. It plans to do so in July.